Hello, today we are going to look at how to create chart in Excel. So let's take this example. Supposing you have students and their marks that they have obtained in maybe class tests or exams. So if you want to create a chart for this data, we select the student. So we select the student and their marks. After that, you click on Insert tab. Then you come to the groups where you have chat. So you click on Recommended Chat. So when you click on Recommended Chat, you can select all chats. So here you have all the type of chats that you want to create. So the one that you want to create. So with this example, we want to create a column chart. So the column chart, you have different type of column chart. So the first one, which is crusted chart, crusted column. So also select the stack column. Then the next one is 100% stack column. So the one that you like. So with this example, we are going for crusted column. So you select this and click on OK. So you have your chart. So you can click here and minimize the chart. So this is the chart. So it will come out with the same color. So if you want to change, you click on one of the columns. You see that all of the column will be selected. Then you click on it again. Then you see that only this one, tenor, is now selected. Then you put the mouse pointer on it. Then you right click. Then you choose a color from this field. So you select the color you want. Maybe if you want red, then you go to the next student, Peter. If you want this color, if you want to maintain it, then you leave it. Maybe if you want to change the color for some, so you click on some, you put the mouse pointer there, then you choose a different color for some. Then you go to OSI, you double click on it. You make sure OSI is selected, then you put the mouse pointer on it, you right click, then you choose another color for OSI. Then the last person here, you double click on it, you put the mouse pointer on it, then you choose a different color for it. So here, the chart title, you can change it by double clicking on it. So if you double click, then you can delete it. Then you give a nice title, maybe performance of student. So can highlight it, click on Home tab, and maybe format it. So with the names, you can, if you click on the name, you see that every name will be selected. Then you can click on the bold. If you want to increase the font size, then you can click on it. So this is how to create a chart. If you want to minimize it, if you click on the chart, you can click here and minimize it. If you put the mouse pointer here, you can also take it and put it at the right place. So this is how to create a chart in Excel. Thank you very much.